Next problem based on you have to find out the phase angle between the primary current and secondary current. So प्रॉब्लम नंबर 2 दैट इज ये प्रॉब्लम जो है वो 2004 में आया हुआ था इन गेट एग्जाम. सो ए 50 हर्ट्ज बार प्राइमरी करंट ट्रांसफार्मर हैज अ सेकेंडरी winding with 500 number of turns. Okay, and secondary supply 5 ampere current into purely resistive burden of 1 ohm. The magnetizing ampere turns is 200 ampere turn. First, find out the phase angle between primary and secondary winding, and what is core complex core flux of current transformer. इस प्रॉब्लम को ठीक से देखो, नोट करो, उसके बाद हम इसको आगे बताते हैं कि हाउ यू हैव टू सॉल्व दिस प्रॉब्लम. एनी डाउट? प्रॉब्लम देख लिए. So we have to find out in a problem number 1, we have to find out the phase angle between the primary and secondary current. So what is the phase angle? That is equal to theta, and formula होता है 180 by pi into Im by n into is. Any doubt? Degree. And problem number B, we have to find out the value of magnetizing that is magnetizing flux phi m. Okay, any doubt? Hello, I am audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So first, what is your duty? What is your duty?
Sir,
First,
IM को find करना.
you have to collect all the information or all the data from the problem. So from the problem, what is the frequency? Equal to 50 hertz. Any doubt? And bar primary current transformer, that is NP equal to 1. Yes or no? And NS equal to 500 tons. यहाँ दिया हुआ है ना, a bar primary current transformer has a secondary with 500 tons, that is NS equal to 500 tons. Any doubt? Now what is the secondary current? is equal to 5 ampere. And what is magnetizing ampere turn? That is Im magnetizing ampere turn, that is Im into Np is equal to 200. Yes or no? Yes or no? And what is the impedance in the secondary side? That is equal to 1 ohm. Any doubt? First, you have to collect all the information or all the data from the numerical statement. Okay, that means we have to find out for phase angle between the primary and secondary current. We have to find out the value of Im and Is. And N, what is N? N is, what is N?
So NS by NP.
Yes. So in this case, what is N? N is a turns ratio in case of current transformer, that is Ns by Np, that is equal to 500 by 1, that is equal to 500. That means value of N is equal to 500 and value of secondary current is equal to 5 ampere. Now we have to find out the value of Im. So you know magnetizing ampere turns is equal to 200 ampere turns. So from this, so Im is equal to 200 by number of primary winding turns is equal to 1, that is 200 ampere. Now theta is equal to 180 by pi into what is the value of Im, 200 divided by 500 into what is the value of Is, that is equal to 5 ampere. So कितना आएगा?
Sir, 4.583 degree.
4.58
58
डिग्री. So ये तुम्हारा
Yes.
फेज एंगल. So डायरेक्ट ये फॉर्मूला में दिया हुआ है. Now we have to find out the phi m. Okay, just wait. So phi m का टर्म कहाँ पे आता है? phi m का टर्म्स कहाँ पे आता है? इंड्यूस वोल्टेज में, दैट इज ईपी इक्वल टू क्या होता है? इंड्यूस प्राइमरी वोल्टेज इक्वल टू क्या होता है? 4.44 frequency into phi m into number of primary winding, or you can say secondary winding is equal to होता है 4.44 frequency phi m into number of secondary winding. ये फॉर्मूला होता है. यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
You know what is the value of 4.44 into frequency and number of secondary turn. So first we have to calculate secondary winding voltage. Yes or no? Yes or no? And what is the secondary winding current? What is the secondary winding current?
5 ampere.
5 ampere.
5 ampere. And load across the secondary winding current, winding
1 ohm.
1 ohm. That is secondary voltage, secondary winding induced voltage is equal to voltage into current into impedance, Is into Zs. Any problem? Suppose हमारे पास एक ट्रांसफार्मर है, suppose is Zs and this is Is. So यहाँ पर Es इक्वल टू क्या होगा और Bs इक्वल टू क्या होगा? Es इक्वल टू Is into Zs. Yes or no? So that is equal to कितना है? What is the value of Is? 5 ampere and the value of Zs is equal to 1 ohm. So that is equal to 5 volt. Any doubt? Now the value of magnetizing flux is equal to Es by 4.44 into frequency into number of secondary winding turns. That is equal to 5 by 4.44 into 50 into number of secondary winding turns. That is equal to number of secondary winding turns. कितना है? Number of secondary winding turns, that is equal to 500. So बताओ इसका वैल्यू कितना आएगा?
Sir,
Hello.
4.504 into 10 to the power minus 5.
कितना आएगा?
4.504
4.504
504 into 10 to the
into
power minus 5. 10 to the power minus 5.
-5
Yes, sir.
into 10 to the power -5. फ्लक्स का यूनिट क्या होता है? व्हाट इज द यूनिट ऑफ फ्लक्स? What is the unit of flux?
Weber.
Weber. So if you have to write in a -6, then you can write 45 microweber. Any doubt? Any doubt in this problem?
No, sir.
No. Okay. Okay. So next numerical problem, problem number 7.6. Hello. Just wait. Please write down the problem in your copy. Hello. Problem number 3, that is a 200 by 1 current transformer, a 200 by 1 current transformer is wound with 200 tons in the 200 tons on the secondary 200 tons secondary on a toroidal core. Okay, when it carry when it carry, please write down your problem, साथ में तुम लोग भी लिखो, a current of 160 ampere on the primary, the ratio and the phase error of CT found to be minus 0.5% and 30 minutes. I will explain you respectively. Okay. If the number of turns is reduced, if the number of secondary turns is reduced by 1, the new ratio error in percentage and phase error in minutes no, will be respectively. Okay, कॉपी में नोट किए प्रॉब्लम.
Yes, sir.
So from the problem, we have to given a nominal ratio. Okay, what is the nominal ratio? That means at given condition, you know the current transfer, that is just wait, of error ratio per percentage error ratio and phase percentage phase phase error. Okay, that means the phase angle error. Okay, now if you change the number of secondary winding, then find the new error, ratio error and phase angle. Okay, problem समझ में आया? Yes or no? So from the given statement, what is the nominal ratio Kn?
So 200.
200 by 1, that is the nominal ratio is equal to 200. Okay, what is the primary current?
200.
Primary current
160.
160 ampere. ठीक है. So what is the actual ratio? What is the formula of actual ratio? यार, what is the formula of actual ratio?
IP by secondary current.
Hello.
Sir, IP by IS.
नो नो, IP by IS तो तुम्हारा नॉमिनल रेशियो से निकल गया. अभी बताओ व्हाट इज द एक्चुअल रेशियो? हेलो, what is the actual ratio? Formula of actual ratio is equal to n plus ns into is into sine alpha plus delta, or you can say actual ratio is equal to ip plus im sine delta plus I cos delta by is. Yes or no? Okay, so equal to n plus सपोज यहाँ पे मैग्नेटाइजिंग करंट के बारे में कुछ डिटेल्स नहीं दिया हुआ है, सो यू कैन से दैट इक्वल टू n प्लस आई ई बाय आई पी. यस, आई एस, सॉरी आई एस. और यहाँ से क्या हो जाएगा? n प्लस आई ई. व्हाट इज n? टर्न रेशियो यहाँ पे क्या होगा तुमको बताओ? टर्न्स रेशियो क्या होगा यहाँ पे?
200.
टर्न्स रेशियो क्या तुम्हारा होगा? टर्न्स रेशियो इक्वल टू क्या होता है? फॉर्मूला क्या होता है टर्न्स रेशियो का?
Sir, N2 by N1. S.
तुम पूरा कंफ्यूज कर जा रहे हो.
Yes, sir.
हम बार
Sir,
बार
N1.
बोले हैं व्हाट इज n, व्हाट इज n इन केस ऑफ करंट ट्रांसफार्मर, व्हाट इज n number of secondary winding turns by number of primary winding turns, that is ip by is. Yes or no? सॉरी सही लिखे हैं नाम, देखो तो
Yes, sir.
सो यहाँ से R इक्वल टू क्या हो जाएगा, N दैट इज N1 बाय 1, सपोज यहाँ पे गिवन कंडीशन में इसको N1 लेते हैं, 1 प्लस IE बाई IP। सो सपोज हमारे पास जो गिवन टर्न्स रेशियो है उसको हम लोग अभी N1 मानते हैं, ठीक है। सो उस समय हमारा रेशियो एरर क्या है, परसेंटेज रेशियो एरर इक्वल टू क्या है यहाँ पे KN। सपोज अभी उसका वैल्यू जो है तुम्हारा उसको एक्चुअल रेशियो को R1 मानते हैं बाय R1 इंटू 100, और अभी सपोज परसेंटेज एरर कितना दिया हुआ है -0.5, दैट इज 200 माइनस R1 बाई R1 इंटू 100। सो यहाँ से बताओ R1 का वैल्यू कितना होगा,